Hi there, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video we will cover the topic of OpenAI function calling with the LangChain. And if you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail me on this email address to discuss about that. Okay, all the links are in the description. Let's get started with the topic. OpenAI function calling. So what I have done is created a new notebook for this. So we are just doing the normal stuff, importing OpenAI and validating our key. We will run it. Now we'll show you the use case we're trying to solve here. We want our information to be formatted as JSON always, right? One way is you can tell LLM that like prompt will be something like this. You will say, please give output as JSON with these keys, blah blah blah. But LLM will not always listen to you. It will sometimes manipulate the output it usually gives. But there is this thing called function calling, which are already trained to give output as JSON. It will even if you want some other output, it will not give you that. So JSON is the only thing you can get from this, and there are many use cases, but I think this is quite a useful one to get your output as format as you want. So we are defining a function first. The source code will be in the description, don't worry about that. You have to define functions in a list. This is the list. You can add more functions into it, and OpenAI will automatically call these function according to a use case. So name is the extract information. What I want to do now is I want to extract information from this text. Here I have written, hi there, I am Obed. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, I think. Hi there, I'm Obed, currently working as an AI engineer and I live in Islamabad. Now I want to grab the profession or role and the city where I live. I can write a prompt for that, but I have already told you the difficulties or challenges we have to face. But here I am defining a function, extract information. You have to define it carefully with the description, analyze and get required information from the text. And the parameters I want to grab are profession and the city. Type will be string, description will be their description. Profession is the role profession of the person, and city is the where person live. And these are the required ones. So I can now specify a model. GPT-4 I'm using. 3.5 will be like good for this simple example also, but for complex tasks you can use GPT-4 or other model as well. You can give the model the message is this user prompt content. Role is also the user. You can specify the system prompts also, but this is a simple example. Functions are the list of all the functions. We have only one, which is extract information, and we are passing that into the functions argument. Now OpenAI will call this function and get these required parameters, arguments, right? So, and it will always be a JSON, so you can load it uh, yeah, and get the exact key you have mentioned here, profession and city. And you can see if you are if you are printing it, print profession, print city, AI engineer and Islamabad, exactly which I want in this scenario. I think this makes sense. If you are getting the wrong outputs or wrong formatted outputs from the LLM, because sometimes LLM will say this person is an AI engineer, this person is currently working as AI engineer, this person live in Islamabad, but you only want Islamabad and AI engineer, right? You can get this from uh, this function calling thing. Okay, I hope you like the video, and if you want me to contribute in any of your project, you can let me know on these contacts or fill out this form. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next one.